Hey everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern. We are here at the Artist Session Collection Edition, Pier 59 in New York City, and look who's joining us. It's Rusty Phillips. It's your 12th time?
Oh, I have no idea.
Yeah, we
It's been
kind
a
of
long
lost.
time.
Yeah. He is one of our favorites at Artist Session. He just does the most amazing work. I looked over and you were doing these wigs, but you were doing something that we want to do a tip of the day. So tell us what you were doing and why you were doing it.
All right, so what I really want to do is create the shape and the silhouette. And so I'm going to smash this in. And I take a scenic strip and hairspray. And my lovely assistant, Debbie, is going to...
Here, we'll do it over this way. Here, let's move it this way so we can see it.
You want to put a lot of hairspray on this and get it really wet. And then you simply take and bring that hair up. And you hold it until the hairspray is relatively dry. And you can create and smash this in as much as you want. A little more hairspray.
So it's pressing and molding. You saturate this and you use it to put the hair exactly where you want it.
Yes, exactly. So, and you can create the silhouette that you want.
Does it do anything for frizz?
It definitely takes away frizz. If we come over here to this one.
Okay, and I'm going to have you turn this way so you're in the light. Perfect.
You simply push in. And it takes away all of that hair that's sticking out.
So you're obviously doing this on wigs. Would you do this on a bride, on a client?
Absolutely. Absolutely. It'll totally smooth it all out. It's a fantastic little trick.
Oh, I love that. Well, I'm going to keep my eye on you all day and see if you come up with anything. Thanks so much,
Absolutely.
Rusty.
Thank you.
How do we follow you?
Hair Daddy, or hair_daddy 816.
Cool. Thank you again.
Thank you.
Bye.